Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. An old man down at the Weber Traveler. Folks, cast iron. Yep. I finally found a cast iron grate that fits pretty nicely on there. Now, a lot of us were hoping that some of the cast iron from the Q series would fit on the Weber Traveler, but they don't. So I found one here. This is from another company that makes actually pellet grills called Z Grills. And this is an accessory you can put in a pellet grill to do hot and fast on a pellet grill. And I'll tell you what, let's take a look at it online. We're going to do some cast iron seared burgers on the Weber Traveler tonight. Oh man, it's going to be so good. All right, zgrills.com, www.zgrills.com, folks. And this is an accessory cast iron barbecue plate, 65 bucks. And it's ribbed on one side, and then it's like that on the other side. That's the side I use most of the time. Like I said, this fits in a pellet grill, and it fits right over the burn pot, and it gets like 600-700 degrees hot. And it does a great job on pellet grills. And I figured, well, you know what? I better do a great job on the Weber Traveler. So let's get her fired up. I got 2 half-pounders, folks. I want to I want you to take a look and see how I make these half-pound burgers, and we're gonna sear them up. Oh man, keep on watching. Oh man, there's our half-pounders, folks. I got cheese. When I put my cheese inside the burger. I just like it a whole lot better. I'm using mozzarella there. That's what I had left over, and then got a little bit of this My Ploy sweet chili sauce. I love putting that inside. I've mixed that into and then you can't have burgers without tiger sauce. Made from little tigers. And then the seasoning. Oh man, this is that Farm 407 Road Barbecue. This stuff is the pepper in here is just awesome. So we're gonna get that cast iron nice and hot. I'm gonna give these a sear. Show you that. All right, let's take a look. See, we're almost at 500 on the grill here. Yeah, 470. Nice and even temps. All right, we'll get our burgers on. All right, let's get the burgers on. Oh man, hear the sizzle. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, give them a flip after about a minute and a half. Now they've been on an additional, about 2.5. Give them a flip, see how they're doing. Oh man. Nice burgers. Keep on going here. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, let's give them a flip. Oh, man, look at that. Nice. And close to being done. Give you a look-see when they're plated up. Oh, man. Oh, man, there's our burgers. Got some pickles on there and a little bit of a secret steam sauce. Let's, got my bun nice and toasted. Let's cut it in half. See what it looks like here. Man, will you look at that? That is nice. Folks, don't forget where to get that cast iron plate if you want it. Cast iron on your Weber Traveler, also that from Z Grills. I'll leave the link down below. Tom Horsman on YouTube. I'll also leave the review to this grill. If you're the first video you're watching on it that I've made, done a whole bunch of videos on it, but I'll leave the review down below. Tom Horsman on YouTube. Thumbs up and leave a comment, folks. Up. Thanks for watching.